Hello everybody, welcome back. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on a very nice lockout tagout lock from Master, which I got from Trucking Lock recently. And yeah, I will do this under the hashtag LOTO Lock Tuesday. Perfect. And yeah, it's a very nice LOTO lock, red, brand new. Here's the key with the very nice bidding, and it even came with the box. But that key, code here is strange. I mean, 410 is the model, but what is MKV KW 417 red? Red is clear. But yeah, Trucking Lock was also nice to send another one, the 410 green, which is green and seems to be just the normal 410. And if we look closely on this, you see the keyway is inverted. So while the green one is stamped 401 and works just nicely, this key is stamped 417 and works also just nicely. So this key will never go in here, and yeah, probably if you have a big company with LOTO locks and you run out of combinations for the bidding, you might change your keyway. And yeah, keep everybody safe. So to pick this, I will just use a very nice tensioner here from Multipick, the SP46, which works quite nice on the pin side. And for picking, I will be using the medium hook, the PN07, and it's in 0.6 millimeters. And starting from the back, small click there. Good click at 1, good click at 2, click at 3, good clicks at 4, and now I'm in a false set somewhat. So let's continue. Somewhere on 4, I think. No. Okay, that's 6, which is binding tightly now. Good counter rotation. I'm just poking around now. That's horrible picking technique, sorry. 3, small click, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 is binding. Some clicks, and now we're in a false set. So let's find the spools. Okay, way back here. Nice. But we lost the false set, huh? There it is back again. And hitting 3, and we're open. Yeah, took me a bit longer than I expected, but yeah, sometimes the feedback is good, sometimes I'm just clumsy. Sorry. But yeah, very nice lock, and now I have to be careful not to turn it like this, but just turn it back. Ah yeah, it's key retaining, so I have to close it to be able to lock it up again. Yeah, so this is the 410 with the 417 keyway picked. Really nice. Thank you very much once again, Trucking Lock. Awesome lock. So everybody still watching, wish you a great LOTO Lock Tuesday, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.